In this video, you will learn how to fix Samsung Hotspot not visible. Sometimes, you might notice that the option to enable the hotspot is grayed out. This can be frustrating because it means you can't share your internet connection with other devices. If you've ever been in this situation, you're not alone. Luckily, there are some simple steps you can follow to fix it. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, look for Connections and tap on it. Now locate Data Usage within Connections and tap on it. Here's where things get interesting. You'll see an option labeled Data Saver. Tap on it. If this feature is enabled, like shown here, the mobile hotspot option will likely be grayed out because Data Saver restricts background data usage. To resolve this issue, simply toggle off the switch next to Data Saver. By doing this, you're allowing unrestricted access for apps needing data, including your mobile hotspot feature. After disabling Data Saver, return back to Connections and find Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Tap on it now, voila! The option should now be available for you to enable without any issues. If you still can't see the mobile hotspot option after following these steps, consider restarting your device. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve lingering software glitches. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.